This feels almost illegal. OpenAI just dropped something huge. It's called OpenAI Academy, and it's basically a secret vault full of free AI knowledge that can seriously change your life. No clickbait, no gimmicks. It's 100% free, and it's insane. Inside, you'll find expert lessons on writing killer prompts, building your own AI agents, creating resumes that get you hired, data analysis made simple AI-generated images, videos, and automations, and it gets even crazier. Every week, they host live workshops with top AI experts, showing you how to use AI to work smarter, study faster, build automations, make content, and unlock real opportunities. All this for free. No credit card, no catch. I dropped the link in the first comment. Go register before this blows up. Stuff like this doesn't come around often, so be that smart friend that shares it with others. They'll thank you later. And if you want more game-changing AI tools, hacks, and strategies, hit follow. Big things are coming. On fire.